So, coming to important days. So, very important for examination, important days. So, 1st of December is being celebrated as World AIDS Day. So, World AIDS Day is being observed on 1st of December 2018, and this is the 30th World AIDS Day in the year 2018. So, this is globally to show support for people living with HIV. So, the theme of 2018 is know your status. So, know your status is the theme of World AIDS Day 2018, okay, because many people, okay, are unaware of the HIV positive it is within them. So, recently even we are seeing that, so the blood donors, okay, so in their absence of awareness, okay, that they are having AIDS, are also donating blood to, okay, the patients. If the negligence also followed by the doctors, okay, so automatically this may be transmitted from one person to another. So, therefore, know your status is the theme of World AIDS Day 2018. On 1st of December again, 54th Rising Day, okay, of Border Security Force is also being observed. On December 2nd, it is World Computer Literacy Day. So, World Computer Literacy Day is being observed every year on December 2nd. It aims to create awareness and drive digital intelligence, okay, in underserved communities worldwide. Again on December 2nd, International Day for Abolition of Slavery is being observed. Okay. So, it is observed every year and it is the 32nd Anti-Slavery Day. And on 3rd December, International Day for of Persons with Disabilities is being observed by UNO. So, therefore, UN International Day of Persons with Disabilities or World Disability Day is being observed on 3rd of December every year. And on 4th of December, Navy Day is being celebrated. Okay, so Navy Day is being celebrated, okay, since 1971 war with Pakistan. So, India's war with Pakistan. So, it is the 47th Navy Day on 4th of December 2018. December 5th is being observed by UNO as World Soil Day, because soil is very important for agriculture point of view. So, therefore, Food and Agriculture Organization along with UNO, okay, observes 5th December as World Soil Day. So, soil conservative methods are being followed, okay, for upgrading the agriculture techniques in India as well as in worldwide. Even soil health cards we offer to the Kisans apart from Kisan credit cards. So, soil is very important nutrient for, okay, mineral nutrient for the agriculture point of view. So, therefore, 5th December is World Soil Day. On 7th of December, it is International Civil Aviation Day with the theme working together to ensure no country is left behind. So, International Civil Aviation Day is observed on 7th of December 2018. And Food and Agriculture Organization has recently announced that India's proposal to observe International Year of Millets, okay, so to recognize 2018, okay, but it was postponed to 2023. So, 2023 is being observed as International Year of Millets, okay, by Food and Agriculture Organization. So, this is India's proposal to highlight the production of millets, okay, so as millets is also one of the nutrients, okay, following in the world. So, International Day of Human Rights, okay. So, 70th Human Rights Day is being observed on 10th of December 2018, okay. So, with the theme stand up for human rights. So, 10th December is International Human Rights Day, and remember 10th December is also day when the Nobel Prizes are being awarded to the awardees. So, handed over to the awardees. So, though it is being announced in the month of September, October or even November, so it is handed over to the awardees on 10th of December, okay, every year. So, the Nobel awards are awarded on 10th of December. On the 10th of December, it is United Nations Human Rights Day, okay. So, International Human Rights Day, okay. On 11th of December, it is UNICEF Day. So, UNICEF was founded, okay, in this day, that is United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. So, it is 71st foundation day of UNICEF, and 12th December is observed as International Universal Health Coverage Day, okay. So, Universal Health Coverage Day. So, it aims to mobilize diverse stakeholders to call for stranger as well as stronger, more equitable health systems to achieve universal health coverage, okay. So, leaving no behind. So, this is the theme of International Universal Health Coverage Day, 12th December, okay. So, 14th December is observed as National Energy Conservation Day, okay. Under the Ministry of Power in India, so Energy Conservation Day was being observed. So, friends, these are the important events. Have a nice day.